Have I passed my cough on to you?
Yes, you have.
I'm sorry. I've still got mine, so you've got another couple of weeks, yeah.
It's just so aggravating. It's just like tickling. It's there all the time.
All the time, I know.
But hey ho, enough of me whinging. How are you today?
Alright.
Apart from wet.
No, it always seems to be awful weather.
Oh, it'll be summer soon.
Yeah.
So, did you do your post-lesson reflection? Yeah, dear.
Say that again.
So, you drive... Excuse me.
Yeah.
You know, when we did the reverse left, we drove past the corner and then reversed back around.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Get yourself comfy.
Take that.
Oh.
Forget whereabouts I am.
Take your time, get yourself comfy. So, well, let's work out.
Stress is your...
Right. How's that going to impact on when you get to the interview?
You're not going to be yourself, are you? Yeah.
And so, what might you do? Isn't it? It's okay, that's perfectly fine. Excuse me.
What about these corners?
They're not really,
Corners.
they're a bit. So what we would need to do is drive past and then reverse back into the right.
Drive past the other side of the road.
That's it. And again, you'll position yourself so that you're going to manoeuvre. The rain makes it difficult to hear what's going on as well, doesn't it? It's good, doing the right thing. Is that the same white van? I hate having cold, it drives me nuts. How was that?